What up, fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you're new to this channel, I upload videos about making free money online without you investing anything. So, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Betway without depositing any money, just making passive income. If you use this strategy very well, guys, you're gonna make a lot of money here on this platform, guys. So you have to follow all the steps, or you have to watch this video up until the end in order for you to make money on this platform. If you want to make money on this platform, make sure you watch this video carefully, guys. But before we continue with our today's topic, can you please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first one to know whenever we upload a new video, guys. So, guys, as we all know that Betway is a betting platform, guys. It's one of those gambling platforms that we all know. It's full of casino games, and you can also bet sport, guys. Yes, this strategy applies on those who bet sports. If you are using these casino games, this strategy won't work on you, guys. So simply, guys, now I'm going to share with you how you're gonna make money here on this platform without you depositing any money, guys. So it's simple and straightforward. Yes, I know you have been asking yourself how these people who are sharing these codes are making money on Betway. So in today's video, I'm going to show you that, guys, how they are making money actually. Whenever they share these codes with you, guys, there's a certain portion of money that they get, of which is passive income. So most of them, guys, they earn this money and use it to bet, and then they show you and they display it for you on the screen, and you think that they are using their own money. No, guys, they are using the 4% that they get from each of every one of you who used their code, guys. So today I'm gonna show you that how you're gonna make this money, guys. It's simple and straightforward, but the first thing that you must have join the groups that share codes, guys, or you can make your own WhatsApp group and recruit people, share with them codes. Then you're gonna make money with this strategy, guys. If you are not having a WhatsApp group, you won't be able to make money with this strategy. So you need to have a group or join in any other group that is sharing codes on Facebook. There are a lot of groups that are sharing codes on Facebook, guys. You can just search there, and then every time when you make a ticket or you make any betting sport ticket, then share it with people. The more people use it, the more people deposit more money, you will get 4% of their money, guys. So, guys, how this works? So, guys, you go to the bet influencer section. You can go there by clicking the three dots on your left hand side, guys. So you click these three dots, you scroll down, you see that be influencer. So that here bet influencer. So guys, here you're gonna be a bet influencer. Every time you share your code, and then people take that code and bet it, and it depends on the money that they are putting on that ticket, guys, then you'll get your 4%, guys. That's how you're gonna make this money here on Betway for free, guys. If you don't have Betway, I'll leave my link in the description down below for you to join Betway, so that you can get a deposit of 25 rand as a starter, guys, so that you can make that ticket and bet it, guys, then share it with other people who like to bet soccer, cricket, or whatever sport that they are interested in, guys. It's simple to make money now on Betway, guys, without depositing your money. This is the strategy that most of the people that are using right now, and they are getting richer day by day, guys. Here you can make money depending on your effort, guys. If you put more effort on this way of making money, then, guys, you're gonna have a lot of money. This depends on your effort, guys. The more effort you put, the more money you're gonna make, guys. Tell me what you think about this strategy. You know someone who's using this strategy, or have you ever used this strategy? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you, guys. So, guys, that's the black, guys. That's how they make most of the money on Betway, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to turn on the subscribe button in order for the algorithm to recognize that and push more to more people who are interested in making money online. You can make a lot of money on this platform, guys, if you use this strategy right. If you share your codes on Facebook, or if you decide to create a WhatsApp group and share with other people your codes, and then if they are the winning codes, guys, you're gonna attract more people who are interested in betting, guys. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.